Swiss Tibetan group, Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association, Tibetan Youth Association Europe, Tibetan Women Association, please come on the stage.
Pemi lana mebe uchi chino konsekam ke chumpucho la kujangwen susowa tabeto train tega pebe ki shungren da shungren membe soba khaki kuji namba ta Swiss da Liechtenstein peri mema dikzu ki sozo social zebe timi namba chodo khan pebe ki peri mema ta ane Swiss nede peri mema 상황에 수산의 배우품에서 발삽시대 삼지다 공감사 수행이 안도 토마데 시스탈리덴스탄 페리메마 직속이 초조 소션 집에 팀이 남발라 드린데 모거 뒤구지 남발라 년년 타번에 토지세 수행이 안에 나란 수대 페리메만 소라 수세 계급다 미래기 셰도 드린데 뒤지된 페버텔라 토지체스 시다는 가란수 페이기 때문에 마세 봐도 레게 딘제 피아디 가란수 개심부 임베트 참에 캔 바래 트렌드 가란수 손제 미임베 척박하기 수비 튼제 속바 유럽 신이 튼소 당나 신기 스스 페메 소베기 가란수 튜모네 안테 자담지 세나비 인데 다테 소신 단다 슈노고 소신 달라칸사나 롯 난그레 슈이 토시나
Hello everybody. My name is Thomas Büchli. I'm the president of the Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association, and we will join hands in the statement which will be read by Dala.
Legnamzo Gungamsang, Nieming la Dalasigue, Na Europäische Nutunzoge Zokshoni. Meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen an dieser Demonstration. Mein Name ist Dala Karsa und ich bin der Vizepräsident des Vereins Tibeter Jugend in Europa. Mesdames et Messieurs, bienvenue. Je m'appelle Dala et je suis le vice-président de l'Association de la jeunesse tibétaine en Europe. Honorable European Chitus and Tunja Kungo Chimerinsala, dear Kamachugila, dear supporters of Tibet, friends and families. On behalf of the Tibetan Youth Association in Europe, the Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association and the Tibetan Women's Association in Switzerland, I would like to welcome you and thank you for attending this demonstration in front of the Olympic Museum in Lausanne. Also, we would like to thank the Tibetan community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein for organizing this demonstration and the invitation to speak today. Last but not least, we would like to welcome and thank Mrs. Rosana Ilham from the Swiss Uyghur Association and Mr. Elias Bonjon, Municipal Councillor of the city of Lausanne, for attending this demonstration and supporting us for our cause. The countdown is over, and in less than 24 hours, the 2022 Winter Olympic Games will start in Beijing, giving China's repressive communist regime the opportunity to present itself to the world as a shiny and clean-washed great power. They will try to show germ-free games to the world with no glimpse behind the scenes of the Olympics, hiding the repressive machinery of the Chinese Communist Party. In the run-up to the Games, 4 Tibet organizations, the Society of Threatened People and the World Uyghur Congress submitted a petition with 7,788 signatures to the Swiss Federal Council demanding that Switzerland should officially boycott the 2022 Winter Olympics in Beijing. A few weeks ago, the Federal Council ignored all the news around the world regarding the devastating human rights violation made in and from China.